on behalf of the Arts House, family of Mother Thomas, and Ethos Books, I'd like to thank you for making time to come to this launch, Memoirs of the Mother. There are amongst us, many of us, who are privileged to know the late Francis Thomas, who have been blessed by the interaction with him. And there are others, like myself, who are very young, too young to have known him personally, but who knew him through the book that he wrote, Memoirs of Margaret. Regardless of whether we knew him personally or through a book, I would encourage every single one of us here today to look at this new edition of his book and to find out more about the man, because it is to me as a publisher, who has been publishing books for the last 15 years, this book has been one of the most emotive books in my life, because the spirit of the man, the late Francis Thomas, permeates the entire book and really inspired and encouraged me in what community is all about. And I will encourage you to read the book and be inspired by it as well. Right? Now, how uncommon a man he is, I will leave it to those who have known him to come up and share. And so I will leave Margaret to talk to you and to introduce the book to you. Thank you. Margaret?
Maybe the speakers would come up and sit here, so your seats are located for later. Anne, Robert, Kat, Catherine, Sukian, Iping.
Last man. I'm the last one. I'm the last.